In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Monday.com calendar. We'll walk through the steps you need to get this useful feature up and running on your boards, creating an organized and visually appealing way to manage your tasks and deadlines. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. This is where everything begins. If you're not already logged in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Log In. This will prompt you to enter your login details. If you usually log in with Google, you can choose the Sign In with Google option for a quicker update, or simply enter the email address you typically use for Monday.com. If you opted for the Google Sign In, go ahead and select the email address you want to work with from the list of accounts available. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself looking at your main dashboard. Next, navigate to the board where you'd like to add a calendar. This might be your project board, your content planning board, or any other board you want to enhance with a calendar view. On your selected board, look for the plus sign button located beside the main table tab. Go ahead and click on that. In the list of options that appears, you should see calendar. Click on it if it's visible to you. However, if you don't immediately see calendar listed, don't worry. Click on explore more views. Here you'll have access to a wider range of options. Find the search bar and type in calendar to quickly locate it, then simply select calendar from the search results. Once selected, a calendar view is added to your board. This new view will give you a clear visual way to monitor timelines and deadlines. But the best part is still to come. You can customize this calendar according to your specific needs. Adjust the size or tweak the content displayed so it fits perfectly into your workflow and enhances the way you and your team interact with schedules. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide to setting up a calendar on Monday.com. With this new capability, you can enjoy a much more organized approach to handling projects and tasks. Remember, the power of Monday.com lies in its flexibility and visualization tools, making time management a breeze. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore other features that Monday.com offers to optimize your workflow and productivity. See you next time.